Sleep. Good, okay. Now this time, each and every one of you, nicely relaxed. Good. This time, when you're waking up, what I want you to do... yeah. Okay, when you awaken, mate, Wayne, what I want you to do, I want you to imagine that you can speak Japanese, okay? You speak Japanese, and what you're going to do, you'll be able to speak English as well, you can speak Japanese, and you're going to do some interpretation for us, interpretation. Pete, when you wake up, mate, you'll think you're a big sumo wrestler, okay, Japanese sumo wrestler. He's going to tell you some moves to do and you're going to do them and show us all what they are in Japanese, alright? You can only understand Japanese language. So, we're waking up and see what happens. So why do you two? Now, Wayne, would you like to come to the mate? Now, listen. Round of applause for Wayne from Japan. Give a nice applause. Okay, that's it now. Wayne, I believe you brought your sumo wrestler on tonight, is that right?
Yeah.
You can speak Japanese, you can tell him to do some crazy sumo moves and everything for us?
Yeah, no problem.
So what I'd like you to do is, can you tell him to stand up first and adopt the position, alright?
Show me where you are, show me where you are.
That's good, okay. That's fine. Now tell him, now do you know what moves he does like? No, you've not got to know near the front of the stage, but is there one of the moves that you know that you can do at all?
Yeah, you can do like a super backflip.
Well, no, we can't know backflips because he's kid and things, so we don't have any backflips. But can he do like, you know, something like a Hishihawa move? Can he do that? Ask him that.
Hishihawa, cool!
That's good, yeah, okay. Right. Now I believe he can do the turn round move. I believe he can do that. That's called the, is that something like the, can you remember what that's called?
Yeah. Show me your shoe!
Good. And what about the reverse when he does the total 360? What's that one called?
Marishimakan, cool!
Good. Now I believe you've got one final one at all, or?
Yeah, I've got a really good one for him. This is like a super 720, so it's been drowned twice.
Oh, okay, good. What's that called?
I reckon my shoe don't know yet, yeah!
Let's go on, Paul, for Japanese sumo wrestler! Take a seat down. And in Japanese, tell him to sleep. Let's give a round of applause for our winner, translator! See that, Wayne? Super. And sleep. Good. Excellent. Good. Super. Okay. Now, this time each and every one, you nicely relax. That's good. Okay.